everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to take a peek, quick intro to the Pandas library. So, alright, as you've seen before, we'll put it right here, how to install Pandas. Pandas is a very powerful library for data science, data manipulation, and it partners with NumPy, the last video. So, and I'll put that right here. It's right across my face. So, alright. But alright. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you've not clicked that subscribe button, go ahead and do that now. Watermark straight below. But this is what we do here. We do one video at a time, one subject at a time, maybe two, no more. So somebody helped me, really gave an awesome comment, and I liked it, and I've stolen it. So micro videos, that's what we do here. Micro videos, one topic at a time. So all right, let's just look at pandas. Oops. Helps if you spell pandas. Sorry about that, guys. That's what we do here as well. Learning disabilities and spelling. Spelling is a bad feature of this. I will never tell you that this is a spelling channel. So, all right, I'm sure if you've been here a while, you've heard that a lot, but that is the absolute fact. So that's the standard alias of Pandas, is PD. So if you've been someplace else and you're like, what in the world is PD? That's it. So, all right, let's just look at PD, and we're going to jump into this really quick. We've been building on this with our other videos, and very soon we're going to start doing. We're going to get into it, and just like I said before, one topic at a time, so you can come back and search all these things. Because if you're like me, the reason why this channel's here is you learn different. You learn at a different rate. You learn on your own. You don't have enough time. Any variation of these. I learn at a really slow rate, and I have to do it on my own and mess up. So I'm building this channel for that reason. Is so we do one thing, you're going to see it, and you're going to go, okay, how did I do that? Why did we do it that way? Guess what? You can go back. Everything is searchable. So, all right. Supposed to be an intro of pandas, got off onto a tangent. So, here we go. That's it. That's how you import pandas. That's how you alias pandas. That's the standard alias for pandas. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. And most important, that notification bell. And I can't say this enough, comments, questions, video requests, because the video requests you guys are doing are helping other people. Somebody else has that same question. I need your help asking it, because you're not the only one with that same question. Somebody else may not have the nerve to put it out there. So you're not just helping the channel, you're helping somebody else. That's what as long as I've been doing this, and long as I've been teaching and training people, somebody else has that question. Somebody else doesn't want to answer it. I need you to help me by helping the channel and helping them. So, all right. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.